Hey everyone, if HandBrake is not converting your video on Windows 11, like it's stuck, failing, or not starting at all, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix HandBrake conversion problems so you can export your videos smoothly. First, restart HandBrake and your computer. This clears temporary glitches or background issues that might be stopping the conversion process. Next, check your input video file. Make sure the file is not corrupted by playing it in a media player before trying to convert it. Try changing the output format or preset. Sometimes incorrect presets or settings can cause HandBrake to fail during conversion. Run HandBrake as an administrator. This gives the software full permission to access files and complete the export properly. Make sure you have enough storage space. Low disk space can stop the conversion process halfway or cause errors. Update HandBrake to the latest version. Older versions may contain bugs or compatibility issues with Windows 11. If it still doesn't work, try changing encoder settings. Switching between hardware and software encoding can often fix stubborn conversion problems. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix HandBrake not converting video on Windows 11. Follow each step carefully, and your videos should export without any issues. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy solutions. All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit photos in Photopea in 2026. Yeah, from basic edits